Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to install your spare tire on your GR86 and second generation BRZ. So obviously our cars don't come with spare tires, so these are the parts you need if you have OEM Brembos or a big brake kit up front. So that's the tire size you'll need. This wheel is Brembo compatible. This one is Brembo compatible, that one's Brembo compatible. So part number 2 and 5 are universal. So if you do not have big brakes up front or you never plan on doing it, number 2 and 5 is what you are going to use in a different holder, spacer, spare rim, and tire size. Now your next step is to remove your trunk mat if you have one. Let's see, it's stuck on the seat a little bit, but pretty much you're going to fold it. Fold it into thirds and just pull it straight off the trunk. After that, you're gonna remove the floor liner right here. You're gonna fold it like that on the left side, and on the right side you do the same thing. Now you just lift it up. Just lift it up and out of the trunk like that. See? Lift it up and out of the trunk. Now you have this foam piece inside your spare donut well. You just pull it straight up and out. You're gonna grab this little spacer that the spare donut sits on. It only goes in one way, as you see. It goes in like that. If you try to flip it around the other way, the hole won't line up, so it literally only goes in one way. Now you grab your spare wheel and put it right on top. Alright, so now you get your washer, you put it right here, then you get your bolt. Make sure everything's lined up and just thread it in by hand. Pretty much, that's really it right here. It takes a while to thread all the way in. Alright, that's all the way in. When you shake it, there's no rattles. Then you put this little foam spacer on top. Make sure it lines up with the bolt hole. So it's gonna be just like that. And after that, you put your floor mat right on top. No, you put your trunk liner on top, then you put your floor mat on top. Then from the original foam insert, I took out the fix-a-flat. I'm gonna put it inside this little space holder here. The tire inflator doesn't fit here flush, so I'm just going to leave it on top of the floor mat. Now we're going to put the trunk liner right back on top. As you can see, the fix-a-flat kit fits in here. I put a couple paper towels in here so I can check the oil level. Just some earplugs for when I drive on the highway. So we're going to bend this back over like that. Same thing on the other side. Getting stuck somewhere. There it is. Now we put the all-weather floor mat right on top. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna roll it in like a burrito. Shove it all the way in and just spread it out. Nothing crazy. Very simple. Then I'm just gonna leave my spare tire inflator over here in the corner because it no longer fits underneath because of the spare tire. Other than that, that's how you install a spare tire kit inside your second generation BRZ or your GR86.